right, y'all, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, I got the Ryker lifted. I've got a box, so that already means an unbox and an install. So you guys stay tuned, stick around, and let's see what's inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this thing opened up, work in one hand, so y'all just kind of bear with me. Yeah. I tell you, this whole month has definitely been like Christmas for me. I've been getting packages and packages, left and right. So here we go. Go ahead and pull this thing out. Let's take a look at the first one. Oh yeah, these are really nice. So I can't wait to get this on the bike. Shouldn't be too hard. If I'm not mistaken, it should be about 6 bolts, 3 bolts on each side. So I'll get the other one out and pretty much get this thing installed. So for those who don't know what these are the A-arm protectors. Nothing too spectacular about them. They look really good, really how they're supposed to sit. Let's see, make sure I got the right side. Here we go. So pretty much that's how they're supposed to sit. And they're supposed to protect the A-arm from getting, damaged and things of that nature. So again, 3 bolts on each side. Shouldn't be that hard, but anything could happen. So let's get right into it. So just before we get started, I kind of wanted to run through this with you guys really quick. So I have 6 bolts. 4 of these bolts are a little bit skinnier, and then I've got 2 bolts that are a little bit thicker. The thicker bolts, you only have 2 of them. They go into the front hole, which I'm going to show you, and these are going to go into your 2 side holes. So let's go take a look at the holes. So the 2, there's one there, and there's one here. So those are obviously going to be on this side, and then underneath the bike, which I did not know this until I kind of poked around a little bit more. But there's one that's underneath the bike. Where'd it go? Here it is. There it is. So one underneath the bike. So that's where the thicker one is going to go. So that's where the 3 holes are. I want to make sure I showed you guys that, because every time I looked, I didn't know where the 3rd hole was, but now I do, and I just want to make sure I share that with you guys. I also wanted to share with y'all that you also need to thread the holes. They're not threaded. So you're going to pretty much need to run the screw up and run it back down. I don't have it set up yet. I just kind of wanted to line it up and kind of see how it looked. But I'm going to thread the first one, pull it out, and then rethread it and kind of get it set up so I don't have to keep holding it. Just kind of have it in place. So I just wanted to share that also with you guys. Another nice advice is if you're not going to jack it up, it's nice to roll it up on something like this. A, for your oil changes, and B, for something like this, because you don't have a lot of clearance. So being able to lift it up and lift it up easy and get up under the bike is going to help you guys a whole lot. So I just wanted to share those things. I'm going to finish getting this stuff threaded and put on, and then I'm going to show you the finished product. So y'all stay tuned. All right, and there it is. Now I will tell you, the one that is by the wheel, that is a doozy. That one is a hard one to get, but it doesn't take too much to get to it. However, it is a little bit of work, but not too bad. About 30 minutes once you have, trying to get the holes together and all that kind of stuff. About 30 minutes, but it looks great. You see I got the all black setup, but then I do have that nice, kind of contrasting color. So I definitely love it. Looks great. And that is going to be it for this, y'all. And I'm going to see y'all on the next one.